Hey guys, another day here. I could have sworn I heard the truck make a big sigh noise up front around the radiator somewhere. I think it's because it has its original door handles and mirrors, same style mirrors back on it that it had when it was new. So it feels like it's younger and let out a big sigh. Wasn't expecting that. Here you go. Mirrors are one of those things. I like them because they're classic looking. I mean, if they didn't have these bullets on them, they match my center caps on my wheels. So that's kind of cool. Makes it look classic. I like all that. But mirrors are one of those things. It's like you gotta have them, but finding the exact one that looks best on the truck, I think it's gonna be fine. It's a mixture of hot rod being lowered, but classic look. And I have some custom cab emblems that are long and narrow and pointed that go down here if I would want to put them on. But this is not a custom cab truck. This is a basic cab truck, no fancy stuff. But I may put those on. I'm still thinking on that. But I like it. Got them both done. So here we go. Yoo-hoo!